Hi everyone, now I'm going to show you 3 tools that can change your life if you start to understand trading. I myself have gone from beginners to professional and my reality has changed dramatically. I saved the best for life. So let's get started. The first tool is trading signals. It is like a navigator in the world of trading. You don't need to be an expert to get started, just time, attentiveness, and following the rules clearly. In order to start receiving signals, you need to do a few things. First, we follow the link from the description. We subscribe to this wonderful channel and the bot sends us a message and we can immediately turn on the signals. To do this, we click on Enable Signals. Make sure to read the instructions, which I tell you about now, and click on Receive Signals for hours. So we get a signal from the robot, we copy the name of the asset, then we go to the platform, insert the name of the currency pair. Let's see, we have a signal for 5 minutes, and on upside, so here we set 5 minutes, the amount of the deal and trade on the upside. Let's see how it ends. Whoa friends, look what a beautiful trade we have. Very confident, and our robot immediately confirms that the signal is positive. This is a powerful tool if you learn how to allocate your deposit, because literally 4-5 trades are enough to increase your balance 10 times in a week. By the way, if you want to know how it works, read about the magic of compound interest. It's a real game changer. Well, thanks to the robot for the signals. The third trade closes in the plus, and we can see we have managed to significantly increase our balance, and meanwhile, we are moving on the second instrument. The second tool is proven strategies. You can find recurring situations in the market and trade only them. It is like playing chess, knowing all the moves ahead of time. In my channel, you can find separately recorded videos, especially from Telegram subscribers. For example, this is a video about how to trade from levels correctly. Here, I explain the whole strategy step by step so that the most of your trades will close in plus. Let's test the strategy in practice right now, and I will tell you about it quickly. Going back to what I taught in the Telegram video, the main point of this video is that a lot of people know about the strategy of trading from levels, and a lot of people do too obvious because of what they lose money. Look, we have a horizontal level here. A lot of people notice that we get a lot of reaction from it, respectively, or people here go down, respectively, once again, when the chart we have approaches the horizontal level. I mean, in this place, people open trades on the downside, but what happens is that the market starts to rise and a huge number of people lose money. A huge number of people, I suggest waiting for the moment when the market again returns behind the horizontal level and then calmly open a position on the downside. Or let's say as here, you could open a position on the upside calmly without hurrying on this. You can earn much more confidently than all other traders. All super. Let's also make a couple more trades on the strategy. And the last trade on the strategy is closing. If you don't understand much, that's okay. Just in that video, I deal with such situations in detail, and not only. Alas, it can be explained in 2 minutes, but trust me, it's worth it with you. So get on Telegram. See how with 2 tools, we've already increased our balance from $50 to over $1,000. The third tool is copy trading. Imagine that you and I are trading in the same room. All my trades automatically become yours.
That's cool.
The pluses: you don't need experience, You don't need to spend time, and it's suitable for those who have a startup capital. The minus is perhaps only one, and you unfortunately do not learn to earn independently. And this is important if you want to become an independent trader. Here, for example, are the results of my subscribers. Someone has saved for initial capital, someone has paid for a vacation, and someone has made an important purchase. Copy trading is not magic, but it can be your first step to financial freedom. Thank you all, friends, for watching this video. Take perfect team worked on it. Bye bye, everybody.